Hey guys, come along with us to go visit the Sanctuary of Truth in Pattaya, Thailand. We learned that you need to cover your shoulders and knees to go in the sanctuary. That's all the things you're not supposed to wear to go in a sanctuary. Of course, I didn't know for my knees, but they're really sweet. They will give you something to hide your knees or shoulders. You just need to give a deposit and you will receive your deposit back after the visit. It costs 500 baht per person, so 1000 baht in total, and if you arrive after 5 p.m., it will be 700 baht per person.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
We are in the Sanctuary of Truth.
Yes.
It's the most touristic thing to do in Thailand. Go see temples, and in 1 month it's our first temple, so we choose the biggest one, I think, in Pattaya.
Yeah, it was 500 baht per person, but if you come after 5 p.m. it's 700 baht for each. And you need to cover your knees. That was good for the t-shirt because I was covering my shoulders, but I don't have nothing to cover my knees, so they will I will borrow something just to hide my knees. And yeah, so just watch the video to see the temple.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Here is a place to borrow your thing to hide your knees or shoulders. They will give you a number that you keep, and at the end you give it back to receive your deposit back. You just need to put it on to be sure that we don't see your knees or shoulders for a form of respect. You will have to put a construction helmet on your head just because there's workers who still working in the sanctuary while you're visiting, and just to be sure that nothing drops or nothing fall on your head, you have to wear the helmet just to protect yourself.
took too much time, so we are stuck with a Chinese group, guys.
思想世界和正确的人生真理，给后人缅怀与执行。那我们人生目标。
One thing is this thing. Nah, never. I don't know how you can preach that the elephant is like a sacred animal and doing that. That is shit, in my opinion. I don't care about the money that people need to do. I think this is stupid, and no matter what you're gonna say, I don't care. No, not proud of that.
So there we go, guys. That was it for the
Temple, the Sanctuary of Truth.
temple. That is
Done.
the first one, guys, and it's so beautiful. It's amazing, really.
It's a lot of work. I think it's amazing, but the thing is, again, way too many tourists. And I know that Thailand is touristic. I know it's still the high season, but it's so packed. It's crazy. Nobody respect anybody. They're gonna pass in front of you while you're taking pictures. They don't care about anything else than themselves. So maybe it would be nicer, and I don't know,
Nicer to come when there's less tourists. That's how it is. Tourists want to take pictures of everything, just like us, because we want to do a beautiful video for you guys. But it's really hard because, yeah, people just pass through us and they don't really care. They don't really care. They just want to take their pictures. So yeah, that's how it is. We probably will wait for to go like to places where there's tourists. We're gonna wait for the low season. But guys, it's really a beautiful place, and if you want to come, you should come. It's beautiful.
I think it's a 10 out of 10 for the place.
Yeah.
We're gonna put some image of the elephant thing. I just think it's not like ethic to do that. You say that it's sacred, but you put like, I don't know, price to ride elephant. It's just, I don't like it. But
you probably saw the video of Joe telling you guys what he thinks about the elephant tourist thing. I do think the same. You look at them and they don't look happy at all.
Yeah, they look really tired. They look like abused. So I don't know. It's not a thing I like.
Like they have, you can ride horses, and we didn't film it. I didn't have the time to film it. But two horses was getting in a fight. They fight each other. Like two horses was fighting, and they had to stop them because they're tired. That's how it is. It's pretty sad.
Yeah.
You need probably to check if you go to the rescue places to help elephants or animals around it. I think we prefer that, to go places where they're secure, and help them, instead of doing this and paying for elephants that they don't look happy at all. That's our point of views, and yeah.
But overall, I think it was really nice to see that. I saw that on video pictures. It's amazing, but in real life,
It's more amazing.
it's crazy. I hope that we film and it's kind of a good representation, because to be honest,
We hope you guys feel like you are with us. That's our point of the video. You have a lot of activities too, guys. You can do a boat over here. Just go on the boat and just go around here. You have a relaxing place that we are right now. You can do some Thai massage in front, and also you have the animals things.
yeah, and you can do like a cruise, a mini cruise ship that you can take picture from the water. I think it could be nice too.
So there's a lot of things that you can do also here, instead of just looking at the beautiful, I don't know how to say it,
a temple.
And so that was it. I will give it a pretty 8 out of 10.
For the place it's 10. For me, it's the place is 10, but
overall 8 out of 10.
yeah, I 7.5. Yeah, I think it's too many tourists. We already made a video on the fact that there's so much tourists in Thailand, Bangkok especially, but there it was, I don't know, it killed the vibe a little bit, but it is what it is.
So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it. So please like, comment, and share.
Yeah,
and we will
please.
see you guys in another video.
Bye bye. Thank you.